Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Illustrator Multimedia. My name is Ilitebook, and this channel is all about graphic design tutorial, free tutorial Monday to Friday, and the content on this channel includes current graphics, Adobe Illustrator graphics, and Adobe Photoshop. So when you visit my channel, what you have to do is to come to the video icon here, you click on video. So when you click on video, you're going to see my present and the past tutorial in CorelDRAW and Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. My tutorial always is usually made for beginner and likewise advanced. Then all you have to do is scroll down. When you scroll down, you see my present and the past tutorial. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn more of things, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. And also remember to click on the notification bell icon. Have any question, put the question in the comment section down below. Continue to scroll down. These are the past and the present tutorial I have made in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. So let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. I welcome you to my company profile design for Part 2 in Adobe Illustrator Cc 2017. If you have not watched the Part 1 of this company profile design, I advise you to watch the video on the channel. Or you have to check the video on the channel and watch the Part 1 so that you'll be able to understand the Part 2 of how you make a creative company profile in Adobe Illustrator 2017. So let's get the tutorial started. All you have to do is first to the limited size. You go to File, then we click on New. So here we go, guys. This is where you type your design name. So this is company profile design. Alright, then we come to this column width here and make sure you type the figure of figure 3180. Then it will maintain the same height of 2050. Then our color should always be set whitely, and once we are done, we will click on create. So alright guys, so this is the new page size for Part 2 of the company profile design and Adobe Illustrator Cc design. So what I'm going to do next is to go to File. Now click on Place. Now I'm making use of this picture here. Now click on Place. Now drag on the image. Okay, so one other thing I can do is that I can go to my objects now, select lock selection. So I'm going to lock this here. Then I'll go back to my tools bar now and select my pen tools. Let me select my pen tool and I'll make a path. Path here. I'll come down below here now and take another path. It is very simple, like create a company profile and all these things. Alright, so one other thing I will do here is to change the color from white to this green here. I'll change this one to this green here also. Finally, we copy some of the text here that I created this now. have an delete this. Have an delete this. So we can copy this text here. Grab this and copy it down here. Now right click on the text arrange. Then when it runs, so I can copy this text here. So +0 to zoom out the entire design. So this is how you make a creative, simple company profile in Adobe Illustrator Cc. If you enjoyed this video, click like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos in Adobe Illustrator Cc. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon.